In today's video, I'll teach you how to change audio language in YouTube videos. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in youtube.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of YouTube. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. You can see various videos over here. For the videos which allows the audio language change, you'll be able to find the option for top right over here under this video. So what you have to do is simply click on any such videos. I've already opened one of such videos over here. So if you want to change the audio language, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is click on the settings icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. At third, you'll be able to find this option for audio track. You can also see the track that is selected right now. So simply click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see various other audio languages over here. So simply click on the audio language of your choice. Now once you do that, the language will be changed. Now you'll be able to watch this video in your preferred audio language. So that is how you change audio language in YouTube videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.